Welcome back, guys. Today we'll talk about game development career. At the beginning of the video, I will briefly describe you a couple of prerequisites that are required. After that, in details, give information about main skills and knowledge that you would need to have. And closer to the end of the video, I will share with you a couple of additional skills that will be useful for you to grow professionally as a game developer engineer. The prerequisites. I would like to highlight three of them. First one is you need to have a computer. Second one, you need to have internet access. And third one, you need to have basic knowledge in programming. If with first two everything is simple, with last one it might be trickier. Nowadays there are tons of different courses, how-tos, articles, videos about programming and development, but I would like to highlight one among all of them. This is a course that is available on edX platform, and it comes from Harvard University and called CS50. That's the best course that you can take about programming. After finishing this course, you would be able to solve algorithmical problems easily, and you would know about web development, mobile development, computer security, and algorithms. All of this knowledge would be enough to you to start the game development career. Before we moving on with you to the next section, I would like to mention that all the videos and books that I'm mentioning here will be available in the description section below, so you can pause the video and have a look on each of them. But we continue. So the first skill that you would need to have as a game engineer is knowing the C++ programming language. Wow. Basically, it's pretty old language. It's 35 years old already. Nevertheless, it has survived a couple of transformations of software engineering industry in general and still is the primary tool for domains like game engineering. In order to learn the C++ language, I want to recommend you a couple of books that you would find useful for yourself. The first book is called C++ Primer. Basically, it's the most popular book about the C++ programming language, so I'm pretty sure it's worth it reading it at least once. Second one is called C++ in one day. Yeah, sounds silly, but anyway. I personally read this book, and I can say that it helped me a lot at the beginning of my career, so I recommend you have a look on it as well. And the third book is called Principle and Practice in the C++. This book has been written by the creator of C++ programming language. And now we are getting closer to the most interesting part of the video. But before that, I would like to ask you to support my channel. Please subscribe to it and put a like to the video if you have enjoyed it. And let's continue. Game engines. So what is a game engine? Basically, it's a set of frameworks and libraries and already implemented physical and mathematical models that are commonly used among all game development companies. I'm pretty sure you already know the names of the most popular game engines. So let's start from Unreal Engine. Thanks to the games like PUBG and Fortnite, community nowadays talks a lot about it. So how you can study it? I have found for you a couple of courses on Udemy platform that can help you with that. Two of them even created by the Epic Games. That's the mother company of Unreal Engine. The first course is for beginners. It covers topics like how engine works, and you would create a couple of games using it. The second course is for more advanced. It covers interesting topics like multiplayer games, so networking in game engineering, and creating of AI player, both basic and advanced, and many others. If you're interested in third-party tutor, I recommend you to have a look at course Unreal Engine C++ Developer. In this course, you would create more than 2 games, so you would have knowledge about different types of games. Even more, you would create a shooter. I think it's pretty interesting. So that's enough for the Unreal Engine, and let's continue to the Unity engine, the main competitor of the Unreal. You can know the Unity engine by games like Wasteland 3, NASCAR Heat 5, or Monument Valley 2. In order to learn the Unity engine, I would like to share with you a couple of courses. One of them is by Unity company and 2 courses from the third-party tutor, the same tutor that I have shown you in the previous section. The first course is called the Complete C# Unity Game Developer 2D. Basically, that's a course from the same tutor as for Unreal Engine, but for Unity engine, and it covers topics of engine itself, plus creation of 2-dimensional games. The second course is called the Complete C# Game Developer in 3D. Basically the same course, but covers topics of how Unity engine works with 3D and creation of three-dimensional games themselves. And the third course, if you're interested in the Unity as a tutor, is called The Ultimate Guide in Game Development with Unity. I recommend you to have a look at this course since it's from the company that created the engine itself, so it might be interesting for you. So that would be enough for you to become the indie game developer. But if you want to grow professionally and become the best one, I recommend you to study two more additional skills. The first one is knowledge about algorithms and data structures. For that, I recommend you to read a book which is called Introduction to Algorithms, that covers topics of algorithms and how they work and when to use which, and data structures, and the same, when to use which and how do they work. And the second additional skill is knowledge about object-oriented design. For that, the book Design Patterns in Object-Oriented Programming might be the solution for you. I recommend you to have a look at it since it covers topics of how to create reusable components and how to create a basic architecture of object-oriented applications. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. If you're interested in knowing more information about how to start careers, please have a look at my channel, subscribe to it, put a like to this video, and I wish you to have a great day.